Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are making this amazing decadent looking 4G red velvet brownie. This red velvet brownie is very yummy. It's drizzled with white chocolate. You're gonna love it. I'm gonna start by introducing my ingredients. Here I have my flour, my sugar, oil, salt, corn flour, chocolate, eggs, red food color. I'm using powder. You can use gel food, my vinegar, then my Callebaut white chocolate. Yeah, super amazing. In this bowl I'm going to start by sieving my ingredients together. Here I have added my flour, my corn flour and salt. I'm going to put in my cocoa and sieve it properly. After sieving, I'm going to set this aside. In another bowl, I'm going to put in my sugar, my egg, and I'm going to whisk it until it has a foamy consistency. Please note that the recipe will be stated in the description box. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please note it's free. Just hit the red button below to subscribe to this channel. Here I'm adding in my melted chocolate and my oil, my red food color. Then I'm going to whisk properly. After this video, you can check out our other videos. We have amazing video that you would really love, and check the description box for the recipe to this amazing brownie. So now I'm going to pour in my dry ingredient. I'm not going to go right away to on my mixer. I'm just going to mix it manually. This is to prevent my flour from flying everywhere. So after mixing to a very large extent, I'm just going to on it for a little while. I don't want to over mix at this point. I'm just going to stop and finish it up with my silicone spatula. If you watched up to this point and you haven't subscribed, I don't know what I'll do at this point, because I love you. Just subscribe. So I'm just going to transfer my brownie batter into my pan. Here I have an 8-inch pan. It was too big, so I had to transfer into a 7-inch pan. You can do 6 if you want your brownie to be taller. Just gonna tap and put in the oven. Now it is ready. The star of the ingredient is the white chocolate drizzled on top of the red velvet brownie. Please, if you don't do this part, you're not getting it right. Please, this is super amazing, yummy, decadent. Oh my god, when you're talking luxury, this is luxury on a platter. Try this recipe out, give me your review, tag me on Instagram. I would really love to hear from you. This is lovely. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share it to your friends and family. Till I see you next time, goodbye. Love you. Bye.